registration. Alamin ang dalawang option para mag-sign up. Welcome sa GCash 101. Today, ituturo ko sa inyo ang 2 option para mag-sign up sa GCash sa pamamagitan ng GCash app at through website. Please keep on watching.
Sabi ko, you have 2 options guys para mag-register sa GCash. First option is via GCash app. So, ilalagay ko rin yung link. Yun yung una kong ginawa, yung title na paano gumawa ng GCash account. Refresher lang to guys. So, once na-download nyo na itong GCash app, ang susunod na gagawin nyo is to enter your cellphone number or mobile number and then tap next. So, usually naman may parang detailed steps siya. Hindi naman siya super hirap gawin. So, it's for everybody. Madaling gawin to, guys. And then next, once na ma-enter nyo na yung phone number, you will receive a 6-digit one-time passcode on the number you provided. So, input the code and tap submit code. Kasi they just want to make sure si Globe na talagang ikaw yung may-ari ng number. And then afterwards, ipoprovide po na yung information in the next pages such as your name, birth date, address, and email address, and then you just need to submit. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ito pwedeng mga alias lang. Kailangan totoong first and last name and birth date ito. Kasi, kailangan maging verified din yung account, which is in my upcoming next video, we discuss ko rin yun, guys. And then, once done, ito na, magsasabi na mag-create ka ng 4-digit